How to get rid of lizards in-house. Lizards are common house guests, especially in warmer regions. Even though they are generally harmless, their presence can make you feel uneasy and uncomfortable. Common house lizards aren't physically poisonous or hazardous, they are pests that make it difficult to maintain hygiene. In rare situations, these creatures can also carry salmonella, and may transmit this bacteria through their droppings and urine. As a result, lizard removal from home is vital to protect children and family members from any diseases they may carry. So, we've compiled a list of how to get rid of lizards in this video, and we'll look at a variety of simple and effective methods for getting rid of them from your home. Welcome to The Guardian's Choice. This video will tell you how to chasing them away and keeping them out. Follow all the steps in this video for the best results, and don't forget to subscribe to get all the household tips and tricks you don't want to miss. Method 1. Chasing them away. Number 1. Move furniture to expose hiding places. According to pest control specialist Scott McComb, since all creatures need habitat or shelter, reducing or removing potential shelter and attractive habitat can be an effective way to reduce lizard populations. It's no good trying to chase a lizard away when he still has dozens of places to hide. If you see a lizard in a room, clear away the furniture so that the lizard won't just run underneath until you give up and go away. Move couches away from the walls, move benches and chairs, and move anything else that could be a great hiding place for a lizard. Lizards like to hang out on the walls as well as underneath objects. If you have a lot of clutter on your shelving, take that away so the lizard won't scurry down and hide among your stuff. Number 2. Block off inside exits. Close the doors to other rooms in your home and stuff towels in the cracks. Lizards are remarkably flexible and can easily squeeze under cracks in doors. Make sure the only open doors and windows are exits to your yard or outside area, otherwise, you'll just be chasing the lizard around your house. Number 3. Have a friend help you. Lizards are quick little critters, as you've probably learned before when you tried to chase one. It's a lot easier to get lizards to move where you want them to go instead of darting to and fro when you have a friend helping you herd them in a certain direction. Walk toward the lizard in the direction of the exit. Have your friend block the most likely place where the lizard will try to run. Keep walking toward the lizard and heading him off when he tries to hide. Move him closer and closer to the exit until he leaves of his own accord. Number 4. Hold a newspaper to scoot the lizard along. When you have a stubborn lizard on your hands, you might have to help him along with a little nudge from a newspaper. Gently tap the lizard in the direction of the exit, and angle the newspaper so the lizard can't run in the wrong direction. Don't hit or smash the lizard with the newspaper, be careful not to hurt him. Some people find that lizards are afraid of peacock feathers. Try using a peacock feather to sweep the lizard along if you have one handy. It couldn't hurt. Number 5. Use water to help the job along if necessary. Some people have found that spraying cold water from a water bottle helps move lizards along more quickly. Fill a water bottle with ice and water and give the lizard a light squirt. The lizard will want to leave the premises as soon as possible. Number 6. Catch the lizard if you can. If you've got a slow lizard on your hands, you might be able to trap him and release him outside, rather than having to chase him around the house. Find a jar large enough to trap the lizard and get a stiff piece of cardboard. Trap the lizard under the jar and scoot the cardboard under the jar until the lizard is standing on it. Pick up the lizard and take him outside, then lift the jar and release him. Number 7. Try chasing lizards at night. Some lizards come out more often at night, and that's the easiest time to chase them. If you tend to see lizards around when the sun goes down, chase them out at night instead of waiting until daytime. Number 8. Know the benefits of having lizards around. While the sight of a lizard hanging out in your living room might be disconcerting, many view this as a welcome occurrence. Lizards help humans by eating pesky insects that make our lives more difficult, like flies and crickets. Not only that, a lizard in the house is said to be a sign of good luck. If you can handle sharing your space with a little lizard, consider letting him chill out in your house for a while. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Keeping them out. Number 1. Keep your house clean. Lizards go where they can find food, which, for them, means insects. Pest control expert 𝒄𝒏𝒏𝒆 shares, food sources for lizards tend to be insects, small arthropods, and slugs. If you have a big insect population in your house, lizards will start to gather there. Keeping your house clean is the best way to keep insects out. Make sure you sweep and vacuum regularly, and don't let dirty dishes and dusty clutter pile up too much. Lizards are attracted to homes for moisture, food source, and habitat. So you should dry out standing water or chronic wet areas. Remove the food sources for lizards like insects, small arthropods, and slugs. Number 2. Remove any open or leftover food from around the house. Along the same lines, having food crumbs and leftovers around the house can attract insects and lead to lizards coming inside. Clean up all leftover food and make sure your surfaces don't have crumbs sitting around. Number 3. Close up home entry points. According to pest control expert 𝒄𝒏𝒏𝒆, removing clutter, overgrowth, and ground cover, sealing up holes in the home's foundation, and sealing gaps on stoops, porches and decks are all helpful in stopping lizards from getting into your home. Number 4. Expose problem areas. Take note of where in the house you have seen the lizard, which rooms, which corners, under what furniture. Moving the furniture and cleaning that area might help it seem less attractive to lizards. Number 5. Try a natural lizard repellent. Some people swear that the strong odor of cut onions or garlic cloves repels lizards. If you want to give it a shot, place the onion or garlic cloves around nooks and crannies in your home where lizards typically hide. Number 6. Get a cat. Cats like to eat lizards just like they love mice. Having a predator around will surely keep your lizard population manageable. Number 7. Seal the house. Lizards might be getting in through cracks underneath your doors and alongside your windows. Make sure your house is completely sealed to keep them from coming in. Patch holes in your home with hardware cloth to keep lizards out. Use caulk and door seals to make it more difficult for critters to come in. Have screens on your windows and make sure they close tightly. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. Lizards are more active at night and make a squeaking noise. 2. Approach lizards cautiously. If you alarm them, they will go into hiding. 3. Geckos are active at night and climb walls and can climb windows, where they hunt insects that are attracted to light coming from inside a house or a porch light. 4. Lizards eat insects. They are very good to have around your home. 5. Gray wall lizards are very good for your garden. They eat small roaches and other bugs that are bad for your plants. They even eat small scorpions. 6. Don't ever poison a lizard, very few are dangerous. They are your friends, not your enemies. 7. If you have many ants in your house, keep sugar at the nearest exit. Then, slowly ants will go that way. Slowly, even lizards will go there. Then, slowly add sugar outside the house, the lizard will go that way. Now you are lizard-free. Warnings. 1. If you catch a lizard by the tail may simply come off. Choose the method that works best for you and your situation, and help to reduce lizard infestation. Follow this channel to learn many more household tips, tricks, and life hacks like this. If you have other tips, please share them with us in the comments. Hope you enjoy, see you in the next video.